taking a small walk, man? No? Is that what you're thinking? It's more like a slushy snow. It's starting to melt. That's why we're taking a walk right now. So enjoy it. Yeah. We're just going to go a little bit of a ways. It's so pretty out here. It's going to be melted by tomorrow. Possibly. And we have to wait till the next snow. Yeah, good girl. And turn around so none of us slip. Because it's slushy. Yeah. Well, we'll walk a little bit up here. Oh, it's icy right here. They're good. We'll turn around right here. Ready to turn around now? Okay, come on. You don't like it, do you? Well, this is only the beginning, Minnie. I'm sorry. Started out as freezing rain this morning. Now, let's go before you freeze. You have boots, you just don't want to wear them. I'll put them on you later. How about that? Okay? Good girl. Run, Minnie. Run, Minnie. Don't run because I don't just fall. Come on, baby. You're not a fan. Just a little snow walk.